pleased to welcome you to New Orleans. The local time here is about 6:20. It's going to take us a few minutes to taxi to the gate. Please stay seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the airplane does come to a complete final stop at the terminal building and the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Be careful when you open the overhead compartments to retrieve your belongings, and please keep the aisle clear of any belongings that were parked at the gate and you're leaving the aircraft. For those of you ending your air travels here today in New Orleans and you have checked bags, all those checked bags will go to the baggage claim area on the lower level. If you have gate check walkers, strollers, and wheelchairs, those will be brought back up to the airplane for you. If you happen to be making any connections here, you need to check with customer service about your connecting gate information, and you need to check your baggage claim stuff to make sure that your bag is going on your connecting flight. You're free to use your small lightweight devices only in the transmit mode at this time and make receipt calls, texts, and emails. Keep large devices stowed underneath the seat in front of you until we're parked at the gate and you're leaving the aircraft. On behalf of all of us at United, the Star Alliance partners, and your entire flight crew, we'd like to thank you for joining us today. It has been our pleasure serving you. We do apologize for the delay. We hope it hasn't put too much of a hindrance in your travel plans. We certainly hope to see each and every one of you again on another United flight. If you're home, welcome home. If you're here for business or pleasure, have a good stay. Continuing on, have a safe journey. And for those of you we see on a regular basis, we'll catch you next time around. Thanks, everyone. Enjoy the rest of your day.